Hi, I'm Shavonnah, and I'm here today to talk to you about how to keep your momentum during the holidays. I get it. The holidays are usually the time of year when people slow down, you do a bit of reflection, a bit of rest, and I'm here to tell you those are things that you should do. Those are great. In order to gain momentum this holiday season, I offer two things. One, make sure when you're reflecting, you grab a sheet of paper. And then 1B, as you're reflecting, keep in mind, how can you incorporate the things that maybe didn't work so well, or the things you uncovered that didn't work so well? How would you be able to use those insights to close the gaps in the new year? So first thing is, remember to reflect with a sheet of paper and a pen so you can capture your reflections and then those insights. And then secondarily, using those insights to think about how can you close the gaps on those things that didn't work well in this year to improve upon next year. Drop in the comments how this landed with you. Tell me if there's something else that you do at the end of the year to maintain that momentum to carry you into the new year. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.